How to 1v1 friends in custom game and Marvel Rivals. So first what you need to do is just simply click on play. Now once you're here, just simply go to change mode right here, then select custom game. Once you're on the custom game, you just simply need to click on create and you will be brought right here. Now the first thing that you can do is change the server if you want to, but if you're good, just click on confirm. You could also add bots if you want, but if you want to invite your friends on this custom game lobby, just first fix the room settings. So click on the room settings right here, and you could change the name if you want, and you could also lock the room. Now, if you lock the room, your lobby will be private so that no one except the ones that you give the password to can enter your lobby. So you set a password, anything that you want. Now, for the joint access, set this to invitation only or friends only if you want, but it's better to set it to invitation only so that no other people can join it. And you could also set the spectator access if you want to. And for the ban and pick settings, you could also set it that, or you could also set it to team void or leader only. And once it's done, click on confirm. And as you can see, it says you need 4 characters for the password. So I'm just going to add one more, click on confirm. Now, once it's done, you could invite your friend by clicking on this plus sign, or you could either add the recent players right here if you want to. But for your friend, you simply need to click on this flag button to invite them to this particular lobby. Now, once it's done, you could also change the game mode if you want. You'd go with competitive quick match or arcade. It's up to you. So let's say you just want to go with a quick match, and you could pick a map for that and click on confirm. Now, once it's done, you could just simply click on start and you're good to go.